Happy Pic channel. If you haven't subscribed to Happy Pic yet, please do it now because I have so many videos curated especially for you. Today, I'm going to explain you about the Dokra jewelry, the process of making and the details of the designs. I'll also be showing you few of our favorite designs and I'll be explaining the details of the design. Come, let's go. Before I go and show you all the different designs available in a Dokra collection, I would like to tell you some more information about the Dokra jewelry. So all the Dokra jewelry we have sourced for you is handcrafted Dokra creation by master artisans from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Dokra craft is the earliest known method of non-ferrous metal casting known to the human civilization. So all these Dokra necklaces have been created after a long process spanning several days to weeks, originating from obtaining wires of the beeswax and creating the final design for the product. So the one thing to treasure about the Dokra jewelry is that, like gold necklaces or the gold jewelry, Dokra necklaces doesn't lose its shine or color. So this necklace is named as Tribal People Necklace because the pendant of this necklace has two tribal people in it, a tribal man and a tribal woman. Do you see it? How beautiful it is. And the body of the necklace has Dokra balls, Dokra beads and Dokra pendants, beautifully woven in strong cotton threads. So this necklace is a mid-length necklace and it comes with adjustable length thread. So you can move the ball and adjust the length of the necklace according to your size. This beautiful necklace is priced for 1,750 and is available on our website for purchases. Come, let's go and see the details of the next necklace. So the second necklace we are going to see is my most favorite necklace from the lot, and this necklace is named as Dokra Balls Beads necklace because this necklace is fully made of Dokra beads and Dokra balls, and these Dokra beads are beautifully woven into diamond shapes. Can you see this? They are beautifully woven into diamond shapes, and between two diamonds there's a Dokra ball placed. This one is a very short necklace, and this necklace is not adjustable according to your size, and it comes with a fixed length, and this is how the necklace will stand with a Dokra ball at the end. Beautiful, isn't it? There's only one size in this, and there's no different sizes in this necklace, and this necklace cannot be adjusted. So this comes in one size, and this is a beautiful design that we love the most. It comes with Dokra beads, Dokra balls, and again beads, balls. That is how it is placed. It's a very strong, beautiful necklace, and is priced for rupees 970. So the third necklace we are going to see is one exclusive piece from the lot. It is a beautiful Dokra choker. It is completely made of Dokra balls, and it has beautiful colors in it. Look at this. There's a dark brownish black, gold, copper and then silver. Look at the beautiful colors, and this copper color is one different color, and it is completely made up of Dokra balls. This is one beautiful choker, and it comes with adjustable length thread. You can adjust it according to your neck size, and it stands beautifully as a high neck choker. This beautiful choker is priced at rupees 1,920 and it is available on our website. Let's go and see the next necklace. The next necklace we are seeing is a beautiful tribal Dokra spiral coins mid-length necklace. So like the other necklace, this is also a one size necklace. It is not adjustable, and it stands with the end ball, a Dokra ball, and these spiral coins are, look at these spiral coins are the base of Dokra designs. These spiral designs can be seen in all Dokra form of art. Dokra, you say Dokra jewelry or Dokra dolls, anywhere you can see the spiral designs. It is one most popular design made out of beeswax and grass, and it is a beautiful design. It shows how old the art form is. And this is one size necklace. It doesn't have any other sizes. This is a mid-length necklace, and this necklace have beautiful Dokra balls and spiral coins. These coins are called as spiral coins. So this necklace has tribal coins, spiral coins and Dokra balls woven into a thick cotton thread. So the back side of the balls and the back side of the coins look like this. They are beaten, and this is a beautiful jewelry, and it goes well with your cotton sari or kurtis. It is a beautiful tribal jewelry, and this necklace is priced at rupees 900. The last necklace we are going to see from the top 5 designs from our recent Dokra collection is a beautiful 2-layered tribal Dokra spiral coins necklace. This is again made up of spiral coins. See, look at these spiral coins and Dokra beads woven into thick cotton thread in maroon color, which gives a beautiful traditional and ethnic touch to this necklace. And it is a 2-layer necklace, and the back side of the coins look like this. And it is a 2-layer necklace as mentioned, and it comes in only one size. It doesn't have different sizes, and ends with a end ball, Dokra ball, like this. So it comes with a cotton thread loop and ends with a Dokra ball. It is a beautiful necklace, and again goes perfectly with your cotton crisp saris and kurtis. This necklace is priced at rupees 1100, and it is available on our website for purchases. So this is all about our 5 top Dokra designs, and I hope you all like the designs we have shown. I've mentioned all the details in the description box below. I've given links for each and every product that is shown in this video. Thank you all for watching the video till the end. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something about Dokra jewelry. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so that you will receive notification every time we upload a new video. Also, please do not forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, so that you will receive updates on new product releases. As mentioned in the video, I have given all the details and the links of the products in the description box below. I hope to see you all in the next video very soon. Until then, it's Akshaya signing off. Bye.